Oh man, you've been great. And I know we talked about how we really wanted to buy a house this year, but I just saw that rates are starting to go up and I don't know if this is a good idea anymore. I totally get where you're coming from. Last year, we saw some of the lowest rates ever, and I can understand, but trust me when I say that hovering around 3% is still super, super low. I don't know, because like last year, my friend got 2.2% and we're looking at like 3.1, and maybe it's better for us to just rent for a little while, because I don't know, I'm getting kind of nervous. Don't be nervous. Take a deep breath. I understand because people got these amazing rates last year, but I promise you 3% is still a really, really great rate. I don't know, I'm starting to freak out. Don't freak out. I'm freaking out. Don't freak out. I'm freaking the freak out. Seriously, don't freak out. And if you're a buyer and you're freaking out about the rising home mortgage rates, don't. I'm going to talk about why you're still in really, really good shape to buy a house. In the last year or two, we have seen the lowest mortgage interest rates ever. But you want to know something else? Even if these rates start to go up, they'll still be the lowest. Depending upon your area, mortgage rates right now are hovering somewhere in the low 3s, and that's starting to freak people out. But here's what I'm going to tell you. That's still really, 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 really stinking low. In the last 5 years, for example, the lowest mortgage rate was in 2016, and it was 3.65%. And we haven't even hit that yet. And if you go back over the last 5 decades, you can see that today's rates, even the rising ones, are still lower than anything we've seen in 50 years. 3.1% is nothing. As interest rates rise, a lot of buyers begin to ask themselves, should we pause? Should we wait to see if rates are going to drop again? No one can totally predict that, but what I like to tell my buyers is if rates are starting to rise, that's the motivation to get in the market right now and lock in a low rate. Experts at Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are actually predicting rates will get up to about 3.5% throughout the year of 2022. And I'm not saying that rising interest rates are no big deal. It does affect your monthly payment, but what I am saying is that it's still a great time to buy. Because mortgage rates play a significant role in your home search and directly affect how much your monthly mortgage is going to be. And as mortgage rates rise, so does your monthly payment. Rising interest rates can also affect your purchasing power. For example, if rates go up a full percent, that usually affects your purchasing power by about 10%. For example, for easy math, if your budget is $500,000 and rates go from, say, 3 to 4, then your purchasing power at that same 4% mortgage goes down to $450 because you're going to lose a little bit of your purchasing power. Remember, I said don't freak out. Are you freaking out? Don't freak out. The rates are low, they're still completely manageable, but it means you don't want to wait. All the experts are predicting we're going to see prices of homes increasing and probably a slight uptick in mortgage rates. So the sooner you get into a home, the cheaper it's going to be long term. Bottom line, don't freak out. Plan, be prepared, and if you really want to own a home, the time is right now. And if that hasn't convinced you, check out my video on the 111,285 reasons why you should buy a home right now. I'm Lindsey Johnson, your resource for all things real estate. See you next time.